Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, tahe tangatani wa toka ke whalangangao hakua pākia, hapa oka I hana lua fi ke taha of mamafa. Vehicle accident lands a young man in hospital. Whamaupopo a whako he Palikoloa Swanson, ke lak me hawhangiang he mahina nei. Landscaping and finishing touches to Swanson's supermarket leads up to the official opening this month. Whakakise tau malulu he tau whānau ki ke tau whiwa sipote he whahe tau peko mole. Primary students show their athletic ability in the school's annual sports day. Tahe tangata tāni ni kua toka tuai ke whalingangau, hakua oka I hana piliua whike tā of mamafa, ne toka I ke he walilunga he wafo. Talahaua he tahe tu tangata ni kua kisia ai he pungi ini nei, e piliua whine kua toka I ke whalapala tū ni tātā tuai ke he whale centenary. Kua le kua nei ni kua tupo I ke he pauri ni pō ke loto taoni a lofi, hai nā kaila mai ki e ke mō e tu talhawanga mai whahinga ho leo leo, ha kua hai e tonga hua whakalotu ke marei whakalea ni hao nei. Kai whakatū maua ngai e ni e tau kumi ang he whahinga ho leo leo ki loa tonu, ko hingoa e le kua ne kua tupu. A young man in his early 20s has been hospitalized following an accident near Sir Robert's Wharf in Alofi. According to an eyewitness who saw the damaged vehicle this morning, it looked like a freak accident where the vehicle had crashed into a HIAB parked up at the top of the wharf near the Centenary building. We were unable to get an official statement from Niue Police due to duties with the flight arriving today, but it is believed that this accident occurred late last night. Niue Police investigations are ongoing and the driver remains at Niue Fall Hospital. Hane whai whakakatawatoa e tau ngā hua ke lata me tālanga he whale fō, ke lata me Swanson si whanua kula, mai amana kianga ke hawhangi ai e whale koloa nei ke he mahina nei. Koe mahina hapelila he tau e kua mole ne kua whakamoli he whakatu whono e maweheanga me Pisinisi W.H. Grove & Sons, ke lata mo e tau ala whanua I whanua kula ke tā e whale nei, ke lata mo e hongfuru e tau. Hahai e whalo tau wihu ke mga hona ha koe tau mana tupe, whalo tau Pisinisi me tau whi whakaku e tau whakaruanga nei, tau whai whakatutalanga. Kua whiwhili ai ke he tau kua mole whoki e tahamata kau tā whale, koe Doug the Builder ke tālanga e whale nei, ke mauma pōpa mahina nei. Hai nei kua molea whakatosi te wai e tahe tau, ka koe se mau te wai whale koloa Swanson, mai hai e whoki whalua tau Pisinisi ki ka toka I ke he whunua nei. Wai kau taha WHD mai New Zealand ko lau tōru ne whakatau wai e Whakakoloa Swanson e tau wāwhi mwhitu mai matuta ke e tau ngahua mai tau tangata ngahua. Talhau mai e tahu kui mai he Swansons amanaki ke whakalolahi mai whakamukamuka e tau whakaloanga kai ke ua tau tangata ke whakatau koloa. Si koe e tau wakau fuki ne kua tō ai I whāwho mai whakahangamita ke whunua tō tōngi he tau pule he Swansons. Whai amanaki anga ke mai ke tau tangata ke ua tuai ke kisikisi o te ke whāle ha hong whumawha I a uni, kai hawhangi paua ki la he aho hongfu maunu I uni. Swanson's supermarket complex is getting a few finishing touches with landscaping and levelling and beautification around the surrounding areas. In April of last year, government signed a 10-year lease with Swanson's for the land to build a supermarket complex. However, there was a brief disruption when the Alofi South VC put forward an injunction on behalf of concerns from community and the business owners. However, discussions were held and that was resolved. Later in 2017, Doug the Builder Construction Company from New Zealand were contracted to work on the building, and that has also had some slight delays. Now, just over a year on, the project is nearly completed, and owners are saying that shopping will get a whole lot easier for locals and visitors. The retail hub covers 1,500 square meters and will have retail office outlets, parking facilities, a children's playground, and an outdoor area for community use. WHD bought Swanson's off its previous owners in 2007 and have had a long-term relationship with Niue. According to Swanson's manager, Amanda Pita, the groundwork was done by contractors, but the landscaping itself and the beautification on the outside area is paid for by Swanson's. The supermarket will have a 6 checkout registers and other features that will improve shopper experience. Swanson's customers will also be invited to a public open day where they'll be able to walk through the store on Thursday, 14th of June, and the official opening is on the 16th of June. Ne tolo atu e tau mamatua mai tau tanga te mūtu ke whanua aonga I Palios ke lata mai kiskiseanga ke tau au whiwa spoti haunga tu whanau ki iki. Koe tau nei ne kua kisiai, kua hiki whakatose mtakau ne kua langmatai atu ki he tau whakaruanga tāpalau, mai tau fuleni, kua watua e tau whiaanga me tau tangatanga hui haunga tu kuluanga ke langmatai. Ko lo tolu ni kua whiwhiria I ke whakawhiria I ke he tau fuleni tau nei kua Speedo he tutu, Narita Tahanga mo BJ Rex, ono ono whakamakuta lo tolu ke he tau mtakau, mai halo tolu tau whakaruanga, ka koe whahikuanga kautuni e mtakau hahawe. Hai whoki whola tau whakaruanga whawhau seno, ne kua tau se e Corina Stevens tō kamata tau whioa poi tuwhi. Koe tau whamatalanga ne kua longana whoki ki haho ia mai ia e uruaonga ko Mokawaha, mai iki pule ko Billy Tālangi.
Na kai whai tāla lahi au ke tāla atu, ke mtoro tau whanau, hei longana e mtoro, he lahi miha. Ka tutu tāla tau toro ke he taha mangahu. Ke tau mamatua, kau e lahi ke ha mtoro a moianga ke he ha tau toro, a tau atu hau fōu, he ha tau toro a motu. O nona ke he tau sio sianga halau toro he ha ne lahi furufuruana. Mau whoki mo e tau o moianga he whauru he tau pisinisi, he lanta ia mo tau si he tau whanau. Kau e lahi mahaki. Kia mtoro ne kua lewe ke tau whanau, tau whai aonga. Kau e ke tau whakahoroanga ha mtoro ke mame hao nei. Koe aho spote aho nei nākai ke aho tūtaru. Siko mneia ai whai tāra lahi, ka ke whamruena he atua e aho, kia mawhara whau ki ha mtoro mo tau whanau, au ane ke hai e hamana ke pākia ai ha mtoro.
Whakakatoa e tau whakaranga mo e tau tuwhanga he tau palepale ke lata muru tōru, he tau wahenga takitaha, ni ko mua te mitaki ki tau whiwapui tuwhi, ke lata mai wahenga taha, ko laua ni ko mua e tau palepale ia, ko Kennedy Tukutama mo Lihana he kau. Wahenga ua Adwale Asanso mo Tiaola Jackson. Wahenga tolu Jeremy Douglas mo Rickmore. Wahenga wha Andriva Sipeni mo Handon Pingia Tālangi. Wahenga lima ko Joshua Buckner mo Sulia Kalapu. Wahenga ono ko tau whakahiku whukanea lo tolu ki haunga tau whanau hiki. Mo wai Zinedine Ioane mo Diana Randroli. We follow the whioa whakahiku koe Olufua Niu me tā sika. Kau tuaia Juliana ki foto mo Bini mo Ngavalu. Koe matakau ha malau ne kau tuaia ki he tau whioa katoa ki lata mai aho. Primary school students put their athletic abilities to the test during the Niue Primary School Annual Sports Day last Friday. The first event for the day was marching and all teams looked good, but it all came down to creativity, chance and formation. Judging this year, Narita Tahanga, BJ Rex and Speedo Hitutu. There were also formal speeches that were very brief as students eagerly awaited marching results. The Flying Hahares managed to impress the judges, claiming first place for this year. There was also a quick warm-up exercise led by Corina Stevens that gave students a bit of an energy boost for the track events that included long distance running, dashes, hurdles and relays. Inclusion was the idea behind the sports day, trying to get all students involved. And the last event was the tabloid sports with coconut bowling for the girls and sika throwing for the boys. But that also meant that everyone had a fair chance, and this year there were plenty coconuts and sikas on supply for students to use. The day ended with a distribution of trophies to the champions for each age group. For Class 1, Kennedy Tukutama and Lihana Hekau. Class 2, Adwale Asanso and Tiaola Jackson. For Class 3, Jeremy Douglas and Rickmore. Class 4, Andriva Sipeni and Candon Pingia Tālangi. Class 5, Joshua Buckner and Sulia Kalapu. And for Class 6, Zinedine Ioane and Diana Randroli. The Sika champion for this year went to Bini Mongavalu, and the coconut bowling or Olufua Niu champion was Juliana Kifoto. The overall sports team champions for 2018 went to the mighty Malo. And those are the news stories that we have for you this evening. Do join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. E nai te malatala ne kua mai ke whatoka atu ke lata mea nei, amana ke lidiu whenwea penei fo ki ke hawhia whenatu noto. Ke nono wha, rini pō tō lidiu ke whenwea.